So hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. As y'all can see, my head look a mess. We are about to do a relaxer. You guys know what relaxer I use. I use this and I am running out. It's like down here. Hopefully this is enough for my head. Let me see. Yeah, this should be enough. Yeah, this should be enough. So this is 4 months. 4 months of no relaxer. I think I did really good. The protein treatment I used really got me through. You guys really can't see. Oh yeah, over here with my braids. So it's like all of this is new growth from out here. You guys can't see my scalp. Like, so I'm about to do this relaxer. I'm going to base my scalp. If you don't know, I just use regular base to base my scalp. I have my gloves, and then I use the neutralizing shampoo from Mazani. I maybe have one more relaxer of this because I try to keep track of everything that I need to re-up on when things are running out. So I'm going to put my gloves on and start to base my scalp. Once I base my scalp, I am going to start the relaxer. I'm probably not going to do much talking. A relaxer application is a I mean, y'all have seen me do this. If not, I'll leave videos on where you can see that. You're going to see it in the video, but in more detail. I don't recommend doing relaxers yourself at home, but we know it happens. So if it happens and that's just what you have to do, make sure you base your scalp. Make sure you do not irritate the scalp. I rinsed out my hair and then just let it sit because me and my daughter, we had dinner and I was just chilling. Kind of letting it air out just a little bit, but I just put a little bit more water back on it. So what I'm going to do is go in with my all-in-one multi-benefit treatment by Redken. You guys know, I tell you guys, this is like the Mizani 25 Miracle Milk. So this is like the end of it. I just want to, I don't like buying new products without using up what I have. I am going to put in my keratin and green tea reconstructor. I'm just trying to use this up as well. My Thermostrength styling heat protectant by Mizani. So I put a half, well, probably a pump and a half. And I get this all in my hands. Ooh, washing my hair feels so good today. Doing my relaxer feel good because the two textures just don't be working. Okay, you guys, so I ended up putting like a little bump in my hair, and I'm going to wear it probably in the side part. You guys know the front of my hair has been thin, but now it's more thinner on this side than this side, so I just put it over here. And I'm just going to wrap it. I really love my hair. It grew out so much those 4 months. And I will be stretching from now on. Like, it's just old school body wrap look, like short body wrap bob look, and I am here for it. So you guys are gonna see more styles, more treatments, like how my hair acts up throughout the day. It's getting colder here where we live. This week is supposed to be some 90s, but then after this week, I'm pretty sure we probably gonna see another 90-degree day. So yeah, this is my hair, you guys. Oh, it feels so good. It's healthy. We're gonna be rocking this week. I'm gonna be wrapping my hair, girl, and going to bed. Wrapping my hair and going to bed. I do want to try rollers, but I need to find my rollers from beauty school. Those are the rollers that I want to put in. So yeah, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Ever since we was on, I dreamed it all.